Hey everyone, this is John, and it is Sunday night. I'm doing the free video. It's been about 9 or 10 days since I've done a video or seriously looked at the markets, which has been fantastic. Interestingly enough, during this time, there's been some volatility, but it's been pretty quiet. There is a, let's see, what day did I leave for Hawaii? It was, if we come back over here on the 2nd. So we essentially, when I left on the 2nd, and I landed, I got there was on the 3rd, we'd closed at 12:56, and during that time, we actually haven't done much except for this day right here. So I actually didn't miss much, and that's actually kind of nice, because usually I end up missing a lot when I travel. And it was a great trip. I will tell you guys more about it, but it was a fantastic trip. But for the free video tonight, I'm just going to focus on the S&Ps, and then I've got a lot to cover on the premium video. And what we've got here is a daily chart of the S&Ps and a weekly chart of the S&Ps over here. And the nice thing about being away for 10 days is it really does kind of put things in perspective in terms of what you're looking at. Now, the bottom line on the S&Ps right now is that these lows at 1220 are everything. And as long as these lows are held, this market has an upside bias, and there's no reason to fight it. At this point, I'm looking for the markets to rally into the top of this band, which is 1293, give or take, essentially a double top here. And any pullback to the mean is a buying opportunity, okay? Now, I'm anticipating that the squeeze will also fire off long. As soon as we get a cyan, light blue here, then I would be pushing to build up a bigger long position. At this point, I'd like to do is buy a pullback, but what I like to do here is, like, for example, if you've got, say, 5 contracts, whether you're doing call options on the spiders or futures on the S&Ps, you just start placing some orders to start buying on pullbacks. This market could just run away. I mean, we're already up Sunday night. We're already up 6.25 points. And one thing I'll do is even put a buy stop above here. And you could pick up one there. If it pulls back, pick up another one here. But then what you're looking at is that you end up having a nice average price for a move up to 1293. So that's what I'm looking for right now on the S&Ps. All right, and then Monday night we do have a webinar. It's a free webinar, and it is, this is a members-only webinar. Okay, so if you guys are members and you're looking at this, then you have free access to this. If you're not a member and you actually want to, I don't know if some of you may have never tried out Hubert and I's newsletters. You can just come over here to join today, and then you can see that you can sign up right away for either my newsletter or Hubert's newsletter, or just try both of them for $5 for 14 days, and then you'll actually have access to the webinar as well. So it should be fun. It's going to be a fun webinar because we've got a couple things we want to cover on that, and then go from there. You guys have a great rest of the weekend, and we'll see you at the next update.